वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान कहते हैं पाकिस्तान और उज़्बेकिस्तान को मिलकर अपनी आवाम को गुर्बत के दलदल से निकालना होगा। हम उज़्बेकिस्तान से कारोबारी और तिजारती शराकतदारी के ख्वाह हैं। पाकिस्तान उज़्बेकिस्तान के ज़राई, फ़ज़ाई और दीगर मामलात में ताउन का फ़रोग़ चाहता है। ताशकंद में मफ़ाहमत की याददाश्तों पर दस्तखत की तकरीब से खिताब में इमरान खान ने कहा कि हम उज़्बेकिस्तान में क्रिकेट भी मुतारिफ करवाएंगे।
Today we had extensive talks, and our talks were trade, connectivity, cultural, spiritual, and political. Both of us on the same path. We want to lift our people out of poverty. We want a bottoms-up approach rather than a trickle-down approach, which has been traditional. So we are on that journey where we are trying to pull people out of poverty. And China recently has proved that if you take the people out of poverty, the whole state becomes rich. This is extremely important for us, that we now have strong trading relationship with Uzbekistan, which is the biggest country in Central Asia. We feel that this will benefit both of us. It will be a win-win situation for both Pakistan and Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan will have access through Pakistan. First of all, Pakistan with 220 million people is a huge market. And then onwards from our ports to Middle East and to Africa. So it is a very exciting relationship between the two countries.